Hi, hope you all viewers are alright and fine. Today we talk about Bill Gates items. So this topic gonna be a very interesting topic. So before we start a topic, I requested to my all respected viewers kindly subscribe Shanzal Speaks my YouTube channel and follow on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And if you have any personal questions, so text me on Instagram. So let's start our topic in which we're discussing about Bill Gates item. Bill Gates words. Bill Gates says, Bill Gates was invited by a high school to give a lecture. He arrived by a helicopter, took the paper from the pocket where he had written 11 items. He reads everything in less than 5 minutes, was applauded for more than 10 minutes non-stop, thanked him and left in his helicopter. What was written? It was very interesting to read. So, Bill Gates says at number 1, Bill Gates says life is not easy. Get used to it. On number 2, Bill Gates says the world is not concerned about your self-esteem. The world expects you to do something useful for it before you feel good about yourself. At number 3, Bill Gates says, you will not earn $20,000 a month once you leave your school. You would not be vice president of a company with a car and phone available until you have managed to buy your own ear-end phone. At number 4, Bill Gates says, if you find your teacher rude, wait until you have a boss. He will not feel sorry for you. Bill Gates says, selling old newspaper or working while on your vacations is not beneath your social standing. Your grandparents have a different word for it. They call it as opportunity, but actually this is called work. This is called hard work. This is not an opportunity. Bill Gates says at number 6, if you fail, it's not your parents' fault. So do not whine about your mistakes, learn from them. At number 7, Bill Gates says, before you were born, your parents were not as critical as they are now. They only got that way from paying your bills, washing your clothes and hearing you. So they are ridiculous. So before saving the planet for the next generation, waiting to fix the mistake of your parents' generation, try cleaning your own room. Work for yourself. Bill Gates says at number 8, your school may have blurred the distinction between winners and losers, but life is not like that. In some schools, you don't repeat more than a year, and you have many chances as you need to get it right. This looks like absolutely nothing in real life. If you step on the ball, you are fired. Street, do it right the first time. Bill Gates says at number 9, life is not divided into semesters. You would not always have summers off, and it's unlikely that other employees will help you with your task at the end of each term. Bill Gates says at number 10, television is not a real life. In real life, people have to leave the bar of the club and go to work. So you have to go for your work. If you need to success in your life, you have to go for your work. Bill Gates says at number 11, be nice to the CDFs. CDFs mean those students that others think are assholes. There is a high probability that you will work for one of them. There is 11 items said by Bill Gates. Know these and now peace. I come in peace, and Bill Gates gone. But he gave you words. But he gives you meaning of life. I hope this lecture is very informative for yourself, for your life. Don't forget to subscribe or like our YouTube channel Shanzal Speaks.